start with the project setup. You can go to any path. I'm going to work in my documents. We open a terminal. We type make directory. Okay, make directory. I'm gonna name it backend dash master dash class. Like this, we create a folder. We can go inside this folder by cd and we type the folder name. Now we type npm init. We need to initialize a node project. We type enter. It's going to ask as the package name. We type enter. The version is the version 1. We type enter. The description, we keep it. The entry point index.js, okay. Test command we keep. Git repo we keep. Keywords we keep. The author, just here I'm gonna type my name. Now license, is this okay? Yes, it's okay. So now we can close this. And we open with our favorite text editor. For me, I'm using Cursor. So let's close everything. We have our package.json. We can now install dependencies. First of all, let's type npm install express. We are going to use an express server to build a backend server. The most popular package, Node.js package, is Express. Use Express. Okay, it's done. Now type npm. Okay, we can type install or I, simply I, yeah? -d. Let's add TypeScript now. And since we want a hot reload, what does it mean, a hot reload? If we modify the project, these modifications need to be compiled and the project reruns again. We should not manually stop the project and rerun. Just we can use the ts node dev. Don't take this by heart. You can search on the internet how to set up a TypeScript project. Now we need to add the types. The Node.js TypeScript types. And the Express types. Alt types Express. Okay. Alt. Okay, there is no slash here. It's installing dependencies. It's done. As you can see, now we got node modules here. All these are the modules that we are used to run our project. Now, remember that any TypeScript project need a TypeScript configuration file. It's named tsconfig.json. To generate this file, we simply run npx tsc --init initialize. Okay, we got the ts logo here and we got tsconfig. You can command and command this. but for me, I'm gonna keep it minimal. I'm gonna keep it minimal. Just I'm gonna make Control A and I'm gonna delete. Then I'm gonna write compiler options. Compiler options, 2 points, and we open. So the target. Remember that JavaScript has targets. We simply can use the latest one. By default we type latest or keep it empty, or we can use a safer one like 2020, or it can be 2020. 2020. Okay. Our modules are common.js. The root directory of the project. Root directory is .source. It's simply source. The output directory of the project is dist, destination, it means. It's a strict TypeScript project, and the ES module interpolation. We need to define ES module interpolation true, and skip library check true. I think that's all. Now, since we have our package.json, we can go inside here. Our main is index.ts, and in the ts config we wrote that the project root directory is source, so we need to create a folder, name it src. Inside that folder we type index.ts. Remember, this file name should be exactly match with these configurations. The folder is source, and inside the package.json index.js. So basically we need to configure these package.json file in order to be able to run our project now. It's easy. For test, we don't have test for now. Let's change this to dev. So for dev, what we are going to use? We're going to use ts node dev -- respawn -- transpile only source index.ts. For build now, to build the project, tsc, and for the start node dist index.js. Why dist? Because in the ts config the output directory is dist. It's simply like this. Now let's go to the index.json and we write a simple hello world. Then here we can clear our terminal and type npm run what? Here we have dev build start. We are in the development mode, like we are coding our application. So we need to run the dev command, npm run dev, and it will return hello world. So let's try to change anything here. We add like this, and we save, and it's auto recompile. So that's all for the project setup. Stay with me. It's gonna be really an amazing build. Thank you very much.